see me?
There you go.
All
There you
right. Okay. So today I would like to talk about something that people our age don't really like to talk about, and that is our addiction to social media. I wanted to start out by sharing this quote with you guys from Edward Tuff. It says, there are only two industries that refer to their customers as users, and that is illegal drugs and software. This quote really hits hard because it kind of makes you realize that, like, yeah, I am a user, and I personally know I am. I spend countless hours on social media apps like Snapchat, Facebook, you name it. And most of the time when I am on these apps, I'm just comparing myself and my life to all these other people's who are throwing their best stuff at me. And I just want us to recognize how this has an effect on our self-esteem, our mental health, and our relationships with other people. So humans are naturally competitive, but we've never been able to compare ourselves on such a large scale before. A lot of my friends and family have expressed things that they don't like about themselves, and it shows through these statistics. Like the American Society of Plastic Surgeons said that $16.5 billion was spent on plastic surgery last year, which was a new record for us. A lot of people are attributing it to this thing called Snapchat dysmorphia, which we've all used the Snapchat filters. We know how good they make you look, but people are just taking it a step further. There's also a more deadly side to this, though, and a lot of websites promote, like anorexia, bulimia, like eating disorders. And this can actually kill people. And 35% of people who were suffering from an eating disorder visited these pages. Not only is social media affecting our self-image, but it's also compromising our mental health. You go on your phone and you look at a picture of somebody doing something fun or hanging out with their friends, and you feel a little bit lonely inside. Like, wow, I should be doing that. And this Microsoft study actually concluded that the people who were lonely were from a variety of demographics, but the only thing that they had in common were the postings that they viewed on social media. So this kind of makes you think, like, maybe the social media is the reason that we're feeling like this way. And if people realize that, they wouldn't even quit using their social media because they are so addicted to it, even if they knew that it was better for their mental health. The Center for Humane Technology actually proved that 1 month away from Facebook increased some of their users' well-being. In our phones, they are always with us. So this starts to affect our relationships with other people. And I know that I see it everywhere. I go out to restaurants and I see people sitting there staring at their phones, ignoring each other. And I see my friends ignoring me. I see my parents ignoring me. I see everybody just so encaptured by their phones. And this statistic kind of scares me. It says children spend roughly twice as much time with technology than they do with their parents. And that's from the Center for Humane Technology, which it's kind of sad to think about the fact that most children know their phones better than they know their own family that they live with. I just want to make sure that our generation acknowledges how our social media habits are affecting our self-esteem, our mental health, and our relationships with others. I just wanted to leave this statistic with you guys to think about. It says 69% of parents and 78% of teens check their devices at least hourly. And I want you guys to think about, is there anything else that you feel the need to check at least hourly? And yeah, that was it.